Bathed in the soft golden glow of early morning light, the neoclassical style villa rises with regal poise and timeless sophistication. Its light-colored stone facade gleams gently in the sun's first rays, each block polished and pristine, exuding a quiet strength that speaks of permanence and grandeur. The villa's symmetrical design is instantly striking. Every element feels carefully measured and thoughtfully placed, from the evenly spaced arched windows that punctuate the front elevation to the matching sets of decorative pilasters that stretch upward like elegant columns frozen in stone. These pilasters add depth and rhythm to the facade, each crowned with intricately carved capitals that catch the morning shadows just so, offering dimension and grace. Above the windows, classical pediments rest like crowns, some triangular, others curved, each adorned with ornate carvings or subtle reliefs that elevate the architecture from stately to spectacular. The arches below mirror the curves above, creating a fluid visual harmony that draws the eye from base to roofline in one seamless motion. At the villa's entrance, a sweeping stone staircase unfolds like a grand gesture, welcoming guests with theatrical charm. It widens as it descends, bordered by neatly manicured hedges and clusters of lush greenery that soften the stone with texture and color. Tiny dewdrops glisten on the leaves, catching the morning light and creating a sense of freshness and quiet rebirth. At the foot of the stairs sits a magnificent stone fountain, its multiple tiers gently spilling water in delicate, continuous ripples. The sound is subtle and soothing, like blending with the chirping of morning birds and the rustle of a soft breeze through nearby trees. The fountain serves not only as a visual centerpiece, but as a symbol of elegance and timeless rhythm, just like the villa itself. This is not merely a home, it's an architectural poem. Every detail, from the symmetry to the carvings, from the cool stone to the morning glow, tells a story of classic beauty reimagined for the modern era. It's a villa that stands proud and quiet, confident in its own perfection, waiting for the day to unfold in grace.